How to file a claim for auto transport damage. Transporting a vehicle can be a stressful process, and while professional auto transport companies take extensive measures to ensure the safety of your car, sometimes damage can occur. Knowing how to file a claim for auto transport damage is crucial to ensure you are adequately compensated. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we guide our customers through every step of the claim process to make it as smooth and stress-free as possible. In this guide, we'll explain the steps to file a claim for auto transport damage and provide tips to ensure a successful resolution. Steps to file a claim for auto transport damage. Filing a claim for auto transport damage involves several important steps. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to do it. 1. Inspect your vehicle upon delivery. The first and most crucial step is to thoroughly inspect your vehicle upon delivery. Take your time to examine the car for any new damage, such as dents, scratches, or other issues that were not present before transport. Tips for inspection. Take photos. Take clear, detailed photos of your vehicle from multiple angles, focusing on any new damage. Compare with pre-transport condition. Compare the current condition of your vehicle with the photos and documentation taken before transport. 2. Document the damage. If you notice any damage, document it immediately. Detailed documentation is critical for supporting your claim. What to document? Photographs. Take high-quality photos of the damage from different angles. Written description. Write a detailed description of the damage, including the location and nature of the damage. Bill of lading. Note the damage on the bill of lading before signing it. The bill of lading is a critical document in the claims process. Route Runners Auto Transport provides a thorough inspection report at both pickup and delivery, ensuring transparency and accountability. 3. Notify the transport company. Notify the auto transport company immediately about the damage. Timely notification is crucial, as delays can affect the validity of your claim. How to notify. Contact customer service. Call the transport company's customer service department to report the damage. Provide documentation. Send the photos, written description, and a copy of the bill of lading with the noted damage to the transport company. Route Runners. Auto Transport has a dedicated customer support team to assist you with reporting and documenting any damage. 4. Review the transport agreement and insurance policy. Review the transport agreement and the insurance policy provided by the auto transport company. Understanding the coverage details and terms will help you know what to expect during the claims process. Key points to check. Coverage details. Verify what types of damage are covered and the coverage limits. Claims process. Understand the steps and timeline for filing a claim. Exclusions. Be aware of any exclusions or conditions that might affect your claim. Route Runners. Auto Transport provides comprehensive insurance coverage details and clear instructions on the claims process to ensure you are well informed. 5. File the claim. Once you have all the necessary documentation and have reviewed the insurance policy, proceed to file the claim. Most auto transport companies have a specific procedure for filing claims, which usually involves submitting a claim form along with the supporting documentation. How to file. Claim form. Fill out the claim form provided by the transport company or insurance provider. Attach documentation. Include all relevant documentation, such as photos, written descriptions, and the bill of lading. Submit the claim. Follow the submission instructions, which may involve mailing, emailing, or uploading the documents through an online portal. Route Runners Auto Transport assists customers with the claims process, providing clear instructions and support to ensure your claim is filed correctly. 6. Follow up on the claim. After filing the claim, follow up with the transport company or insurance provider to check the status of your claim. Keeping in regular contact can help expedite the process and ensure any additional information required is provided promptly. Follow-up tips. Stay organized. Keep copies of all correspondence and documentation related to your claim. Regular check-ins. Contact the claims department periodically to inquire about the status and any additional steps needed. Route Runners Auto Transport maintains regular communication with customers throughout the claims process, providing updates and assistance as needed. Tips for a successful claim. Here are some tips to help ensure a successful claim for auto transport damage. 1. Be thorough and detailed. Providing detailed documentation and descriptions can significantly strengthen your claim. Thoroughly documenting the damage and the condition of your vehicle before and after transport is crucial. 2. Act quickly. Timely action is essential in the claims process. Report any damage and file your claim as soon as possible to avoid delays and ensure your claim is processed promptly. 3. Understand your coverage. Having a clear understanding of your insurance coverage and the terms of the transport agreement will help you know what to expect and how to navigate the claims process effectively. 4. Maintain professional communication. Maintain professional and polite communication with the transport company and insurance provider. Clear and respectful communication can facilitate a smoother resolution. Why choose Route Runners? Auto transport? When it comes to auto transport, choosing a reputable and experienced company is crucial. Here's why you should choose Route Runners Auto Transport. 1. Expertise and experience. With years of experience in the industry, we have the knowledge and expertise to handle all aspects of auto transport safely and efficiently. 2. Comprehensive services. We offer a range of services including open and enclosed transport, expedited shipping, and door-to-door service to meet all your needs. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing ensures no hidden fees or surprises, allowing you to budget effectively. 4. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated customer support team is available to assist you at every step of the process. 5. Comprehensive insurance coverage. We provide comprehensive insurance coverage for all vehicles transported, giving you peace of mind. Conclusion. Filing a claim for auto transport damage can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps and are well prepared. By inspecting your vehicle upon delivery, documenting any damage, notifying the transport company promptly, and understanding your insurance coverage, you can ensure a successful claim. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we are committed to providing exceptional service and support throughout the transport process, including assisting with any claims. Contact us today at 888-424-4420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.